Today in the GoSun kitchen, Indian Salsa. Just kidding. This is actually tomato cilantro chutney made with jalapenos, onions, cilantro, garlic, tomato, and cumin seed. But you see, it's very similar ingredients to actual Mexican salsa. Here's the big difference though. Note that I'm using an entire bunch of cilantro and 5 of these little Campari tomatoes. You can use whatever tomato, but for that much tomato and salsa, you'd use a few sprigs of cilantro. Here we're just chopping some onion. Oh, there's actually jalapenos. Throw that in. I want this a little bit spicy. Hacked in an onion there, some garlic. Those were cumin seeds. Just blend this all up right here. Shake it a little bit, help get it going. There you go. See that nice green color coming in? Awesome. So now we're going to use our raw little parchment paper. This will help us with cleanup. If you need to know how to clean your GoSun Sport, refer to my video, How to Clean Your GoSun Sport. So just layer that in there. Once you cook it, you don't have all these little gooey tomato bits adhering to the actual metal. So you just discard that, give it a little scrub, and you're ready to go. Basically just pour that in, cook it for about 30 minutes, and you're ready to go.